Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel. We're going to actually take a look at a nice alternative to the Samsung earbuds or the Apple AirPods. Now those are actually north of $100, but the product that we're going to take a look at today will be linked in the video section down below. So make sure you guys stay locked in. Now I'm really excited as always. Let's go right over to the unboxing station and I'll see you right after these quick messages. Peace. Welcome back to the unboxing station. Let's go ahead. And we do have the package right here. It does say wireless Bluetooth earphone on it. Let's go ahead, cut that open. Greet it with a styrofoam packaging. We're gonna go ahead, cut that open. You can see the box on the front. Okay guys, so now let's just take a look right here. It says wireless version 5.0. It has the plus EDR impedance, and then it has right there the specifications. Mic sensitivity has that requirement. It has the wireless frequency 2.4 gigahertz. It has the battery capacity 5 milliamp hours. It has the working temperature. It has the voltage right here, transmission distance, playing time about 4 hours, charging time about 1 hour, standby time about 120 hours, and weight 3 grams. You also get the charging parameters: input 5 volts, output 5 volts. 1A is the USB type. You can see the weight is 30 grams, and then right here you can see that we're getting 26 milliamp hours or 15. You can see right here you can charge other mobile phones with the case. It's compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod right here, and I'm assuming Android as well because I didn't see Android. That was weird. Compatibility. Let's go ahead and take a look. You can see that it comes in the white, the red, or the gold. Let's open up the box and see what else is inside. So right here we are greeted with the case right here and the earbuds right here. Underneath you can see we do get some extra ear tips right here just in case. Also we do get a user guide right here. You can see we do get the charging, which is USB. We also do get the 5.0 HBQ-Q32 TWS earphones or headset right here, and you can see that that's for the when you're charging another device. This is for the the USB type A, and for your phone when you want to charge it, and for when you want to charge into a wall. You also are getting right here the case, which is actually has the magnets to hold each earbud. And take a look at the build quality. You can see right here it has a button right here, so when I press that button it's actually touch sensitive. Pressing both buttons and holding them will actually power each one on, and so that's pretty cool. So they're both on. Let's put them in the case and see what that is going to look like when it's charging. So you can put them in the case right here and it turns red when it's charging. So that's pretty cool. Let's test out the comfort and the fit right now and see how these actually feel.
So first, pairing up the HBQ-Q32 TWS Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. We're gonna go ahead and see how they fit in my ear. Now, when I actually put them on both sides, I noticed that there was a hook on my ear which actually held them in, along with the suction on the ear tip, which wasn't too intrusive. When you put it in, it actually doesn't block any sound. So it was good because I wasn't getting that suction cup feeling, blocking out this noise that I could hear around me. So I was definitely liking the overall feel in my ear, and the sound quality was actually really high and the bass was actually pretty good. So I was surprised for the money that I spent on these headphones, and you can check it out in the video description down below. But I could honestly say that the sound quality from these Bluetooth 5.0 headphones was really good. One thing that you want to note is that you will only get one sound channel coming from the headphones when you're actually getting incoming calls. But I can honestly say that they were pretty cool because it offered a charging case that came for when you wanted to charge your phone on the go. But you also did get IPX5 waterproof technology, which certified that you can actually wear them in the rain. So it was pretty cool, and I can honestly say that the fit in the ear, sound quality, and overall design was definitely pretty good. So I'm definitely glad I purchased the TOMKAS HBQ-Q32 TWS 5.0 headphones for the Bluetooth earphones, and it was definitely a good replacement for the iPhone or the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.